for the center. One side, another side. 这个要先要切开是吧？You should cut into two pieces. Two pieces. Two pieces. Okay, this side is here, and you should stick the sponge on this side, sponge. 那个是那个，这个是那个啊。This is another one. This is another center cut. Center cut for the in the side hole punch. In the side hole punch. 那边有那个吗？ This one is another for the side hole punch. 等一下拿过去，拿到那边去，拿到那边。Because this one easy job. While you assemble, you should use a span. You use the hammer. A little make it curve, and then assemble here. Okay, it's easy job. So when you use something, the spanner, and hammer a little. While you assemble this one, because if this is straight, easy job. So we use a spanner or something. Make this one not the blade. This is blade side. This side a little curve, and then you assemble, That is not easy job. You can 把这个敲一下。 Because this one easy curve, easy job. So we use something make a little curve, and let's not easy job. 来放上去。And then we put inside here. 再敲一下。 OK， 就在上面吧，就在上面。啊，这边有个孔是吧？啊 ，there is a hole. Yeah. And then after you should put use sponge. 等一下 ，sponge. This one is sticker sponge. And then with hammer. Hammer and then cut the side. This is scissor. Okay. After make like this, you can put inside. You can put inside in the center. And this one is a sticker. You see, this one is stick at the adhesive type. And this one for another same. It's easy. The sponge. After forming, after making it like this. This one is the top side, on the top side, on this part. This one is a hole on this top part. The bottom is this one. This one is on this side, on the top side. on top side. Top side. And the bottom is another side. You see the top side. The bottom is another one.
这是项目，
This is the bottom part. This is the bottom part.
项目
And put this one. Put this one. This one is the bottom. Mother male. Female parts. And the top part is on this part.
这东西是
Keep inside.
还有一个，
稍微大一点。
这样东西
And then put another.
折了，
And then paint this top. This part on the top. And then you assemble. This part on the top. This is male. This is male part. Okay, you see the center core cut. Center core cut. You lose this part and take it. Lose the bolt and take it off. Lose the bolt. You see, lose the bolt. In another video, show you. Okay, here is the button. Button, there is this part. This part for the center cut. 好，可以拿走了。可以。These are 2 pieces. 好。哎，来，小心别跑丢了。Here's for the center. Here's for the center parts. Center 2 pieces. And for the